Hey groovy people! So today we are going to check out my Ulta haul. If you guys saw my video a few months ago, I talked about why I love shopping at Ulta and how I score the best deals and all sorts of freebies by shopping online at Ulta. So I am going to link that video down in the comments and also in the description on this video, just in case you want to give that a watch, so that you can learn about how I am getting all these great freebies and great deals that I'm going to show you today. I placed this Ulta order last week because I got an email in my inbox saying that they were giving away a free 29-piece, $109 value gift bag with any $70 Ulta purchase, and I decided it was a great time for me to re-up on some of the necessities that I know I'm going to use. So what did I get to qualify for my gift bag? I was in need of some new facial cleanser. This is normally $15 at Ulta for this big 13.5 2-ounce bottle. I got this Kopari gift set. This is typically $32 online at Ulta. I didn't pay that much, but that's how much it usually is. What I thought was kind of neat about this line was that it's all paraben-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free, and cruelty-free. Then I got the Skin Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. This is actually one of my favorite products. You may not have ever heard of this brand. It's not something that I've ever seen in department stores or in the drugstores, but the way I found out about this product was because I got samples in some of my other free gift bags that I got from Ulta, and I really love them. They're just these little gel patches that you stick underneath your eyes. You leave them there for 10 or 15 minutes, and when you take them off, your eyes are like super smooth and just refreshed. The next thing that I got was some new micellar cleanser. This is Purity Made Simple by Philosophy. It's a really gentle micellar cleanser. Smells great. I know that I like it because once again, I have received samples in some of my other GWPs from Ulta. That's the nice thing about these GWPs is it gives you an opportunity to get turned on to new products that you really love. Something for my boyfriend. Clinique for Men, they were offering this moisture lotion. It's just a little sample size, but here lately, every day, he's been asking me, do you have some lotion I can put on my face? Because his skin's getting a little dry in the winter time too. Now, all of this stuff here, when you compare the normal Ulta price, is valued at $92.50. So we have my gift set, my micellar cleanser, my face cleanser, my boyfriend's moisturizer, and my little under eye skin patches. So $92.50 is what normal retail on these would have been. I, however, got some great deals on these, and my total was $77.89. It doesn't stop there. I'm very frugal. You guys remember that show, like The Frugal Chef or whatever? I grew up watching that when I was a kid. I think I just gave away my age. So with my purchase of these awesome little eye gels that I have tried and love, they gave me a free sample of another product by them. This is the Hydro Cool Firming Neck Gel. I have actually never tried this. I'm excited to try it out. With my micellar cleanser that I have tried and know that I love, I also got a free sample of lip sleeping mask. So it's kind of like a lip balm that you put on at night, and it just completely replenishes and moisturizes your lips so that you've got great smooth lips when you wake up in the morning. With my Kopari gift set that I got a free bottle of Coconut Rose Toner. This is the sample size 2.5 ounce. I want to say that their larger size sold for like $24, so this is probably about a $12 value here. With that lotion that I got from my boyfriend, the face moisturizer, I also got him for free a Clinique for Men Super Energizer. So this is a anti-fatigue hydrating concentrate with SPF 25 in it. With my hydrating cleanser that I bought, I got a free sample travel size bottle of the same hydrating cleanser. So if you guys have watched my videos and have subscribed to my channel, you know that I also do a lot of traveling, mostly to casinos, but I'm excited to be able to bring this with me, and I won't have to use those nasty little bar soaps that they offer you in the hotel for your face, because that is not good for your face. Now, on to la creme de la creme. So this is my 29-piece free gift bag. It is literally packed. Super excited to open it up and check out all my freebies that I got. Strivectin Anti-Wrinkle Recode Line Transforming Melting Serum. This is Kate Somerville, Skin Health Experts Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. Little mini moisturizer. We've got one of my favorite products here. This is the Makeup Remover Towelettes by Ulta. Super handy. I love to carry them with me when I travel. I love to keep them by my nightstand. Then we have another one of my favorite products. This is Confidence in an Eye Cream by IT brand. Skin Active by Garnier Micellar Foaming Gel Cleanser. I actually haven't tried a micellar foaming cleanser. I've only used like the water stuff that you use with the cotton balls. So I'm interested in seeing how this works out. Facial Radiance Polish by First Aid Beauty. I've used a few of their products before. They seem to be like really gentle products. Love Beauty and Planet. This is another kind of cool line that I like. They're all about doing good things for the planet. If you read the back, it says, "We are committed to acts of love that make you and our planet a little more beautiful. Every day, find out how at lovebeautyandplanet.com." Maybe I'll put a little link down in the description of my video so you guys can check out this brand as well. But this is Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Radical Refresher Body Wash. It's Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker Primer by Philosophy. Okay, we have another kind of natural plant-based line here. This is by Juice Beauty. I've tried a few of their products before. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. This is by L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub Smooth and Glow. So it's like a scrub for your face. We have a bunch of little packet samples. So the ones so far that we've looked at are more deluxe size samples. These are some little babies. This is by Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. That's actually a pretty high-end line. This is by Dermatologica Intensive Moisture Balance. This is another really high-end line. I've used a few of their products. There's a few that I absolutely love. Shiseido, this is another high-end line that you've probably seen in some of the department stores. Essential Energy Moisturizing Cream. Then we have Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. We have Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Oh, another deluxe size sample. Basquiat, I haven't seen this brand before. Luminizing Black Mask. A peel-off mask. Is this that stuff that everybody's doing in their videos where their face is all black and shiny and then they peel it off and they're all like screaming and crying in agony? Is that what this is? I hope not. It's sealed. I can't really tell. I don't feel like we need to do another video of that because I think that they're all over the internet right now. But you guys tell me. I'm willing to put myself through the pain for you, the subscribers, because that's why I do what I do. And I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Looks like it. So chances are I'm not going to use this unless you all say that you need to see it in a video. Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm throwing this in the trash because I've seen the pain y'all have gone through using this stuff. Wow, I can't believe they sent me one of those. Okay, this is by Kiehl's. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it seems to be kind of an all-natural brand. Creamy eye treatment with avocado. I wonder if it's green. Interesting. Tell me if you want to see like trials or reviews on any of these products. This is Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I've used this before. This Proactive sample. I'm actually surprised to see a Proactive sample. I've never seen that before in any of their free bags, and I've gotten a lot of free bags from Ulta. Oh, so those eye patches that I bought earlier that I told you about how much I loved and how I knew that I loved them because I've gotten them in these bags. Here's another one. Bliss. That's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. Then we have Extreme Minerals Extra Firming Ahava Extreme Day Cream. We have Multi-Active Jour. What is Jour? Can we put this in English, please? Visibly reduces the look of fine lines, boosts radiance, moisturizes, and promotes youthful looking skin for longer. Okay, this is that little brand that I got in that gift set. This is their coconut face cream. That's the first time I've seen one of their samples in here. Mario Badescu, he tends to be a designer that is in a lot of these free bags. All of his stuff is really natural, really gentle on the skin. I've actually really liked all of his products. I've used 2 of his other facial sprays before, but this is a formula that I haven't tried. This is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. So maybe it'll smell quite nice. And chamomile and lavender is very relaxing. So I'm excited to see what I think about this. Peter Thomas Roth, Skin to Die For. Well, this better make my skin look good. That's all I gotta say about that. Provage Anti-Aging Daily Serum. I actually remember working in a department store when this product launched, and I did get like a full-size sample. I think that it was way too intense for my skin at the time, but I've aged quite a bit since then, so I'm excited to try it out again. My last sample, but definitely not the least because there are 4 samples in one here. This is by Ofra. I've never tried that line. I don't know if it's a cheap line or a nice line or what, but this says Ofra, You'll See Vitamin C Collection. Vitamin A and C serum, vitamin C serum, vitamin C cream, and vitamin C cleanser. So it's like a complete travel pack. Everything you need to go travel. That's kind of cool. That's one thing that I really like about these little sample packs is because I do so much traveling, I've really got all the products that I need. And I can throw them with me on my suitcase. I don't have to worry about buying extra little travel size bottles to squirt my normal products into. I don't have to worry about making sure I'm staying under that 3-ounce minimum or the 1-ounce minimum or whatever it is nowadays. I think it changes like every month. But I can just bring my little samples and I know that I'm good to go. So, $109 value for my bag of all my goodies. $92 value for all the stuff that I actually purchased. Then I don't even know how much the value is on all these little freebies that I got that came with my purchases, but I only spent $77.89. That was after my taxes and after my shipping. So all around great deal from Ulta. That also earned me my Ulta points. I talked about Ulta points in my last video, so be sure that you watch that and learn how to rack up those points and the best way to spend those points to get the most bang for your buck. If you enjoyed any part of this video, please be sure to hit the little like button down below. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So like I said before, leave me some comments. Let me know if you want to see some trials or some reviews of any of these products or what else you would like to see. Like I said before, I do it for you guys. If you want to see this ripped off of my face, I'm willing to do it. But you have to tell me before I throw that away. I don't know. Am I really willing? So that wraps up my Ulta haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, give it a thumbs up down below. If you're interested in seeing more of my videos, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And please leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. So until next time, stay groovy, everybody.